Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have Austin here for the first time. This song is called How Soon. Alright, a great lick going on here through the entire song, so give it a try. And before we go into more details here, click the subscribe button there and you will have great songs like this, How Soon, and many others. So feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Now let's start. We have the capo set here on the 2nd fret. So it's no point to go over different chords and all that. I will just give you how to play this lick because that is what you need actually for the song. So let's start. This is the grip. It's a bass upon the A sharp major 7. Anyway, this is what you need to hold. So 1st fret on A, 2nd on G, and 3rd on B. So you're just gonna play in that order. So that's the 3 notes: 1st A, 2nd G, and 3rd B. Then you're gonna pick 4 strings together. It's based upon the A minor 7. So you pick the open A together with 2nd D, open G, and 1st B. If you think that is too much, you can just play the open A and 1st B together, because these are the 2 main notes. The other are just fillers, but that's from the A minor 7. So it's your choice. I pick all 4. If you want, you can go with just open A and 1st B. And then you're gonna go and play the G minor 7 bass thing here. What you do here and what you need to do is just to place a bar on the 3rd fret. That's what I do. And with that, you're gonna pick the 3rd E in the bass together with 3rd D and 3rd G. And after that comes a clap. Okay, so that's the first half, so to speak. So to play this half, it goes like this. Alright, clap. Then you're gonna go backwards, so to speak. You're gonna play this part. Okay, so that's still from this bar. Now you don't pick all these 3 strings together. You play the notes separately. So you're gonna play 3rd on E, 3rd on D, and then 3rd on G. And then a clap. And then you go back to the A minor 7 thing here and play that pick again. The open A together with 2nd D, open G, and 1st B. Or if you want the open A just with the 1st B. And then you end with this clap. Alright, so that is basically 1 round. So we're gonna go through that slowly. 1 full round sounds like this. That is 1 round, but after the 2nd time you play this, every other 2nd time, okay, you're gonna have this ending after this final pick there. You're gonna play, and that is not necessary, that's just what they do here in the song. You're gonna play open E, then you hammer on the 1st E and pull off to get back to the open E. And then you're gonna play the same technique there, but now you start with the 1st B. You hammer on the 3rd B. And you pull off to get the 1st B. That goes in a fast motion there, so I just picked the 1st open E there. Then I hammer on, pull off. And then I also pick the 1st B string. So this picking hand, just make 2 actions there on each string. Alright, so that ending you play every other round, so to speak. So slowly with the ending it goes. All right, so that's what you do from the beginning till the very end. Austin, how soon? So thank you for watching, guys. Thumb up this tutorial if it was helpful, and until next time, play tuned.